What is the pain pathway, and how does it cause headache pain? Imagine a network of roads inside your head that carries signals telling you when something is wrong. That's essentially what the pain pathway in your head looks like. When you get a headache or migraine, this pathway is involved in how pain is generated and felt. It all starts with special nerve endings called nociceptors. These are found in the meninges, which are the protective layers around your brain and in the blood vessels there. Nociceptors detect harmful things like inflammation, chemical changes, or pressure. When they sense trouble, they send signals to the brain to let it know something is wrong. The main highway for these signals is the trigeminal nerve, a large nerve that supplies sensation from your face and head. First, the nerve cells in a part called the trigeminal ganglion pick up the pain signals. These signals then travel to the brainstem, specifically to an area called the spinal trigeminal nucleus. From there, second-order neurons carry the signals further up to higher parts of the brain, including the thalamus and the cortex. This is where you become aware of the pain and interpret what it means. There are two types of nerve fibers that carry pain signals. The unmyelinated C fibers send slow, dull, and throbbing pain. The thinly myelinated delta fibers send faster, sharp pain. These fibers also releases chemicals like calcitonin gene-related peptide, or CGRP, which causes blood vessels to widen and inflammation to increase. This process makes the pain worse and can cause more blood flow and swelling in the area. Sometimes, the pain becomes more intense because of a process called central sensitization. This means the neurons in your brain and spinal cord become more sensitive and respond more strongly to signals. It involves receptors that respond to glutamate, a chemical messenger. This makes the pain feel worse and can even spread beyond the original area of discomfort. In migraines, a wave of brain activity called cortical spreading depression can trigger the trigeminal pathway. This wave can cause neurological symptoms like aura and activate the pain pathway. Brain regions like the brainstem and hypothalamus also influence how severe the headache becomes. Knowing how this pathway works helps doctors develop treatments. For example, medications that block CGRP or its receptors can reduce the inflammation and pain signals. Other treatments aim to calm down the nerve sensitivity or block specific parts of the pathway. In short, headache pain happens when nociceptors in the meninges are activated, sending signals through the trigeminal nerve. These signals are amplified by chemicals and become more sensitive in the brain and spinal cord. This complex process explains why headaches and migraines can be so painful and guides how we manage and treat them effectively.